Countdowns create excitement and urgency for your audience. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to design stunning countdowns using the aBlocks countdown block. Let's create excitement with the aBlocks countdown block. Hit the plus icon, search for countdown block, and insert it into your page. A beautiful countdown will appear instantly. Click on the settings icon, and the aBlocks countdown block settings will expand. Fix the block direction to suit your layout. Adjust the alignment for precise positioning. Justify the block to match your design needs. Set the column gap to space out the elements. Toggle visibility for date, hour, minute, or second elements as needed. Enable or disable the separator to refine your countdown design. Update labels for countdown elements from the Label section. Adjust the text color to match your design. Pick a font family that fits your style. Set a background color for the labels. Change the number color from the Number section. Set typography and define the number size. Apply a background color for the numbers. Pick a separator and set its color. Customize the box size in the Style section. Determine the label position, top, right, bottom, or left. Specify the gap between numbers and labels. Update the background color for the countdown. Finally, click the Save button to apply all the changes. Here's the stunning countdown design you just created, and there you have it, a fully customized countdown block with aBlocks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you in the next video.